In this video, we shall be taking a look at factorization. This is a continuation of the first class on factorization. So in this video, we shall be looking at common factors in larger expressions, then 2, factorization by grouping. So let's look at common factors in larger expressions. So looking at an example, we have factorized 2x into bracket a plus b minus 3z into bracket a plus b. So what do we check first here? Here we have two terms. If you check this, the two terms has a plus b in common. Can you see that? So we are bringing out a plus b from the equation we have there. So we are left with 2x and minus 3z. So we have a plus b into bracket, and also we put the 2x and minus 3z together, so we have 2x minus 3z. So that's pretty simple. Let's check another example so that you can have a full understanding of what I'm trying to do here. So example 2 says factorize x plus 4z into bracket z minus 2 plus x plus 4z. If you see here, we have two terms also. The first term x plus 4z into bracket z minus 2, and the second term x plus 4z. If you check, you see that x plus 4z is common to both terms. So when we bring out x plus 4z out, we have z minus 2 to remain in the first term, and 1, which is the coefficient of the x plus 4z here, to remain as 1. So here we have x plus 4z into bracket z minus 2 plus 1. Can you see that? So solving further, we have x minus 4z. We open the small bracket. So we have x minus 2 plus 1. So our final answer gives us x plus 4z into bracket z minus 1. Did you see that? It is pretty simple and very easy to solve. So now, let's take a look at what factorization by grouping means. Grouping is a very necessary thing to do when you are to factorize an expression. E.g., factorize zx plus zy plus 2bx plus 2by. So checking this well, terms zx and zy both have z in common, and also if you check 2bx and 2by both have 2b in common also. So we group this with brackets. Can you see what I'm doing? So I've grouped zx plus zy, and I've also grouped 2bx plus 2by. So checking the first group now, we have z to be common to zx and zy. So we bring out z, so I'm left with x plus y in the brackets. And checking the second term, 2bx and 2by, I said we have 2b to be common, so we bring out 2b, and we are left with x plus y in the bracket also. So we can still solve this further. So if we're looking carefully again, now we have x plus y to be common to both again. So we bring out x plus y, and we are left with z in the first term and 2b in the second term. So we group them together, so we have x plus y into bracket z plus 2b. They get that? So let's look at another example in grouping now. So we have example 2 says 6a plus 2bn plus 6b plus am. What do we do here? We first rearrange and we group it. So how do we rearrange? We have 6a, 6b, so we can bring them together because they have something in common, which is 6. Also, we have bm and am, so we can group that together because they have something in common, which is m. So rearranging this, we have 6a plus 6b plus am plus bm. So how do we group? We group with brackets. So I'm going to group my 6a and 6b and am and bm. So what do? We check the common factors. So for the first time here, I have 6 to be common to 6a and 6b, so I bring 6 out, so I'm left in the bracket a plus b. Also in the second term, am plus bm. I have m to be common to both. Can you see that? So I'm left with a plus b in the brackets. So here, if we check very well, also now we have a plus b to be common to both terms now. So I'll bring out my a plus b, so I'm left with 6a and plus m. Can you see? So I'll put that also in a bracket. So I have 6 plus m. So I have my final answer to be a plus b into brackets 6 plus